Learning English. How difficult can it be? It's not really difficult, is it? Yeah, it is. I know it's difficult. I'm not just a language teacher, but I'm also a language learner. I love learning languages. I love language. Let me tell you a little bit more about me. I'm Joe. I'm from England, and I've been teaching English online for about 5 years. I have a bachelor's degree in education, and I'm also a teacher trainer. I try to help other teachers be the best teacher they can be. In order for me to be a good teacher, I need you to make mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes in my class, but do be ready to get better. See you in class.